Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today is May the 4th, Star Wars Day, and it's also
my birthday.
Ellie's 18th birthday. Ellie, he just said something to you. He said happy birthday. Anywho, we're here at Alton Towers for the Smiler Takeover event because Smiler is Ellie's favourite ride. Yeah. So guess where we're going now? Well, Sean from Theme Park Worldwide seems to have his name on a mug at the personalised gifts, but guess what? So is TerryTracker and Adam. But forget Adam, that's Adam the Woo.
Hop it's Grin. Oh, say goodbye to Grin, boys. Oh! Oh, Linda from Hull, how funny! Now you need to relax and enjoy the calm sun. Oh! Oh, hilarious entertainment for the whole family. Oh, that's it, the third test is complete. Linda from Hull, you have surpassed our fear threshold in the final test. You see, advocates, advocate number 310513, Linda from Hull, has yet to give herself to the Smiler and must be sent for urgent marmalization. Agent Joytide will make sure you're fast-tracked to the Smiler immediately. So, will you accept these gifts and give yourself to the Smiler? Good. Then advocates for the last time, give a round of a ha-ha-ha for advocate number 310513, Linda from Hull. Smile always. Stay there, Linda.
So we've done Smiler, time for Oblivion. We did it, we've done Oblivion, but I tell you what, those seats are tight. The ride operator had to come along and give extra shove before the belt would fasten, and my ribs are sore. Time for an ice cold caffeinated beverage, the Monster. So we're going to head down to a new attraction here at Alton Towers, which is the Curse at Alton Manor. Now me and Tristan came here for opening day and we had to go over it and we weren't impressed. But I've been told that you have to ride it more than once, like get 3 or 4 times to really appreciate it. And apparently it gets better the more times you go on it. So gonna try it again, see what Emma and Ellie's opinion are after ride 1. And if there's no lines, maybe go on it 2 or 3 times as we've been recommended to, and see if it gets any better. I don't know how, but we'll see.
You were looking here, I was down here, you was touching me here. Right, shall we?
I think we shall.
How do ghosts travel around?
I don't know. How do ghosts travel around?
I don't know. How do ghosts travel around?
I don't know. How do ghosts travel around?
By scaroplane.
By scaroplane.
Yeah, that's what I said. Where do ghosts go?
Happy birthday to you. Ellie, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Clap, let everyone clap. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
That was rubbish, I just sang. Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Bit more upbeat, lively.
Happy birthday, dear
Ellie.
Claire. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sandra.
Sing to Claire.
Happy. We've already done our solo, so it's your turn. You like? You
Happy birthday.
don't like this. Happier.
Happy birthday to
Is that wrong?
you. Happy birthday, dear
Sandra.
Sandra. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Ellie, Claire, Sandra.
Mrs. Alton held a party to celebrate the turning of a new year. However, on the final chime of midnight, the manor appeared to be struck by a storm of supernatural proportions. All known occupants of the house perished. That is, aside from the owner's only child, Emily.
Father, please may I go to the party?
No, you may not. Now get in, you wretched little creature.
So there you go, we have ridden it, we managed to get round twice. We could have stayed on a few more times, but we decided just do it twice. Emma and Ellie's first time round, they were a little bit like me, they weren't that impressed, but by the second time they were starting to notice more things on it. Now that was my second and third time, and to be honest, I noticed things on the third time which I totally didn't notice the first and second time. So yeah, I think it's one of those rides where you have to keep going on it, notice more to appreciate it. And now I get it. Now I appreciate this ride. Yeah, I really quite like this one. I wasn't very impressed with it the first time I came on opening day, but now I get it. Yeah.
Please note at the time to secure the use articles, keep arms and legs inside the train until time, sit back, hold tight, and enjoy the ride. Choo-choo!
Well, that's Runaway Mine Train done, and here is the photograph. Anywho, the girl that was controlling the ride there wasn't as fun as the usual ones, because normally they go choo choo, but she was just going choo choo. She was too happy, too happy.
Please remain seated.
That's the Congo River Rapids. Done. And here's the photo. Time for our favourite ride, the Wicker Man.
The Ministry of Joy public service announcement.
Oh my God!
By entering this queue line, you have agreed to comply.
The Smiler takeover of the Wicker Man.
Wicker Man. Our neurological transmitter will monitor your happy hormone response to this ride.
Oh no!
The Smiler has taken over the Wicker Man. The Smiler takeover. So there you go, that was the Wicker Man. Sorry I can't film on the rides, but I assure you that's a lot faster than it used to be. I'm positive it is. It just seems to get faster every time we ride it. Have you ever seen anything like this at any other theme park in the world? Where they're retracking a roller coaster and they go to all this effort of building an observation deck, monorail observation deck, for you to actually see the progress of the new retrack. Unbelievable. But anywho, this is the new Nemesis, or the new Nemesis getting built.
Localized biohazard risk. It is imperative you remain within the containment zone.
That's the monorail. That is not what we're here to see.
Well, look at the scene thing behind it.
We're looking at all of this. This is the Nemesis area. That's the old lift hill. I believe they're just going to repaint that.
Yep.
That's not getting replaced.
The hill in the lift hill should be the same. It'll just be repainted.
So there you go.
Everything else is completely new track.
So there you go. The brake hill and
For your own safety,
lift hill
obey all instructions
are all going to be the same.
given to you by
The rest
phalanx
is a retrack.
operatives.
And you can't see it from here, but there's actually the first
Ooh.
bit of the track we're actually in.
And there is Galactica on its wheel. But I believe where these guys are here, that's the, is that the brake? The brake zone where them guys are on the cherry picker?
That's close.
That's close to the brake. I don't know anything. I don't know.
They're likely either looking at the Nemesis, they're building the queue, or they're trying to double check that the actual newly placed bits for the dive back.
2 seconds, Ellie. Monorail!
For the send a little small turnaround back into the grey zone, making sure that's secure because they've actually placed the 1 or 2 pieces.
We are the phalanx, delivering strength.
So there you have it. That is the observation deck. Not much to say at the moment, but yeah, like I say, I don't know much because Ellie seems to know everything. There seemed to be a lot of work going on at Subterra, and when we asked, we got told, oh, it's classified. But we did see a lot of Alton Tower staff going in there. So is that for staff training for when it opens? That says it's going to open soon, I believe. And we did get a little information off one of the workers saying soon, and he winked. So yeah, we will be back down for the opening of Subterra when it opens. That is Galactica done, but I didn't go on it, just Emma, Tristan and Ellie, because I don't know if you know this, but I have a hernia around my belly button, and on that ride you hang face down and there's a lot of pressure on your belly. Now if I'd done that, it would really hurt. So yeah, I skipped that one for this year. get the operation in November though. We are finding it quite difficult moving around the park today because the Sky Ride, which is Alton Towers gondola system, like a ski lift type system, is not working, and it wasn't working on opening day either, so I don't think it's actually opened all year. So that needs to be sorted out because Alton Towers is full of hills and it's quite sprawling. Time for 13. Are you 13?
No.
How old are you today?
18. I don't have a badge on.
You haven't got your badge on. That is 13 done, and the picture is... Anywho, it is so quiet today. As Rita speeds past, it is so quiet today. Everything is basically a walk on, there's no lines, which is awesome, which means we've done just about everything in the park. The park does close. The park does close in about 40 minutes, and then we have a reservation later on for the roller coaster restaurant for Ellie's birthday. That is also Rita done, and that is finished at the Dark Forest. Tristan wants to go on Gangster Granny because it's his favourite ride here. So guess we're going on Gangster Granny before we go out of the park because it's 20 to 4 and the park shuts at 4 o'clock.
I know. Now are we all ready to do the quick step tracker?
Be on the lookout. Could be any one of them. Send all the visitors through the security check. Over.
We have incoming reports that the crown jewels have been stolen.
There we go, that's Gangster Granny done. We always walk along the path up there, and I did not know there was a path that ran next to the lake. Now I do. We're going to make our way out of the park because it has gone 4 o'clock and the park is now closed. So, have you had a good day for your 18th birthday, Ellie?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're now going to go to go back to the hotel, drop the car off, and then go to the roller coaster restaurant. So that is the next video. See you all tomorrow.
Now it's time to do your job.